This raise is too small to get everything in here. We can't even fit 2 suitcases. We had to unpack and get a couple of bags. Okay, I'm at this some sort of recycling place here. So this is to Grand Siam Kak, and this road I didn't feel comfortable taking the car down in case I can't get up. I can't be bothered walking all that distance. 350 meters. Yeah, I'll just take the drone, I think. Yeah, that looks really nice on the drone, so yeah, a bit disappointing. Anyway, on the way to the next one. Okay, just made it here for Jumat, and also on the map you see across the lake, Rumah Cinderella, so that's a restaurant. So I thought the rest of the family can stay there while I'm at Jumat, but apparently you have to take a boat, so there's no car access to get over there, so yeah, that might be the start of Jumat. I just saw this thing, maybe we can take that across the river, or the lake. Anyway, so after Jumat, so the women are in there, and let's have a little look. Pretty nice and cool in here. Masjid Shodikin, giant rock. Some sort. It's interesting. There we are. There it is. So that's the outside of the masjid, and just coming down here. Might be a man-made lake by the look of it. Definitely reinforced anyway. Maybe a weekend only thing, because if we're going to eat over there, there's got to be staff there, and can't see anybody. We'll ask, and if not, we'll have to eat out the front here. Hello? Riz! Air mancur and ikan di dalam juga. Oh, interesting stones here. Another one like a boat. So we've got a few options, including eating by the lake. Wow. There we are. Mobile. Look at this. Mobile. Max Royal, is it? Oh, butterfly. Brum, 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 brum. Brum, brum. Hey, Azura. You're driving? Wow. Getting up here, it's a bit safer for the children. And pretty good meal, a little spicy. But alhamdulillah, very tasty. Good price here. She likes it in here, yeah? Oh no, where is this going? He's got signs to his phone. Riaz. Okay, Zara. Say hello. Hello. Yay.
Di depan ada truk sampah.
Sampah, Dan?
Dump truck.
Dump truck.
Lihat ada truk paket.
Truck packet juga. Look at this big truck. Wow.
Wow.
This is a nice road.